She is.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So in this video,
Wait, first of all, you're not gonna speed past that.
we are taking it back to Dr. Miracle's. All right, so this is the Strong and Healthy Biotin and Aloe Vera Nourishing and Styling Gel. And they also have a styling leave-in primer, shea butter and black castor oil, strong and healthy. But first things first, if you are new here,
First off, welcome.
Rain Gang, welcome back for another video. All right, so Instagram, you follow me over there?
No.
Thank you. So over there, I asked you guys a quick poll. I had 3 different stylers and I covered them up with a blur. And I said, choose ye who, no, I'm sorry. I just, asked y'all, choose Kelly, Beyonce, or Michelle, okay? And Kelly won.
It's the one and only Digo Double G.
Kelly was Dr. Miracle's and the leave-in styler or whatever. Strong and Healthy Biotin and Aloe Vera Nourishing and Styling Gel. 2 times moisture, help resist dryness, frizz, and flaking. Moisturize, holds, and defines curls and coils without drying out hair. Okay. Second ingredient is glycerin. So again, I live in a climate where glycerin does not affect me, but I do like to let y'all know just in case. And then y'all know I typically will not use any leave-ins, any curl creams, nothing but just the styler on my hair when trying out stylers. But because this is a part of the fam bam, okay, I said, let me go ahead and just go ahead. So this is a styling leave-in primer, okay? Hydrates to prime and protect for 80% less breakage. Second ingredient is glycerin. I don't know. So this is to prepare your hair for twists, extensions, or wigs. I didn't see that. So I don't think I'm gonna use this. Sorry. So we're just gonna stick with the gel because I just don't want, okay, anyway. I washed and conditioned my hair. And this is how my hair is looking. All right, so I have just been on a hunt just to try different stylers. I'm just in this season of styling. I don't know what it is, but I know y'all were like, dang, are we getting the styling videos? You are. Okay, off the bat, I do not care for the smell. It's very hard to explain it, but it's very, very faint. Kind of leans more to like a herbally type of smell. You do have 12 months to use that. So now that I've opened this, I now have a year to use this up before it expires, okay? This was $10.99, but be mindful. When I did the last review on the African Pride, it said like $7.99 or something like that, but I was able to find it online for like $4.99. So although this does say $10.99, they might be hiking up the prices at this beauty supply store, and you probably can find it cheaper online. If I'm able to find that, please check below in the description box and I'll put the link where you can find a cheaper version if I cannot. But until then, because we don't know, this is $10.99, or at least that's what I paid for it. And the styling leave-in primer is $10.99 as well. This, however, smells pretty good. It smells like shea butter. Okay, back to the gel. Ooh. Ooh, she's really thick. A homegirl is very thick, slightly thicker than Wetline. You guys know I always do a comparison. It's a little bit more drier. Like I feel like Wetline has more of a wet, thick-like texture. This has more of a thicker, dry texture. And then while we're here, the styling cream, it feels exactly like it looks. Very creamy, a little airy, not super thick. Like it's thick, but the consistency is a little bit more on the airier, thick side, if that makes sense. You know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna go ahead and just try it on one section. Now it says damp or dry hair. No, it's okay. Something's telling me, Something's telling me don't do this. So I'm gonna listen, okay? So we're gonna go ahead and just use the gel like I normally would. Like I'm at a point now where I feel like the majority, if not all of y'all, know how to do a wash and go for your hair. So I'm probably gonna stop talking about things and focus more on the product itself. But if you need for me to break it down, let me know. I have no issues doing that. So my hair is drying out a little bit and I wanna go ahead and wet it down. Okay, it is saying on clean, damp, or dry hair. So my hair is pretty wet. So I guess we will just, try it as we go along. I did not take a lot. I know, oops, I got some of that cream in there. I did not take a lot. I'll show you guys how much I use on the next section. I'm gonna be honest, the application does not feel the greatest, but you guys know me. You guys know me. Y'all know me. Like, this doesn't mean anything at this point. It does not look extremely promising at the moment. Okay, at the moment. This could turn out heavenly. But I will say at this point, it is clumping my curls really nicely. That's some nice clumpage. I have my fan on, so hopefully you guys can hear me because it's hot and I'm starting to sweat. I'm gonna take about this much, and as you can see, it is a thick consistency. I like the application a lot better on damp hair, and I have not been shingling much or using my Denman brush. So we just gonna continue the cycle. Okay. This part of my hair is damp, but it's losing its curl pattern. So it's just like, do I wet it just a little bit? So same thing, I'm taking a good amount. I feel like, I don't know how I feel. Like I've seen better. But I've also seen where, I've applied something and I'm disappointed and then it dries and then it looks really good. That's unfortunate. What it's feeling like is it's best to work on damp hair in small sections. At least for my hair, that's what it's giving me. I'm gonna wet it down just a little bit. And what that kind of does, I know someone asked, for me, it just gives the product on the hair a chance to kind of reactivate in a sense. And so re-wetting sometimes can help in getting that definition that you seem like you're not getting, okay? I literally am speechless. Like, I cannot tell you what I'm feeling at the moment. I will say it's not the best application. Like, I think because, again, of the consistency is really like a dry type of gel, not a watery underlying base. The application isn't the best, especially because it is saying do it on damp or dry hair. So it's not a lot of slip. If that bothers you, this is not the gel for you. I can tell you that much. As far as getting my curls to be defined, it's trying to clump my hair, but in doing so, it's like creating a frizz. To me, this is the perfect gel to shingle. Yeah, so this looks very stuck together, which I don't really like. Like, I don't. All right, y'all, so this is how my hair is looking, and I still don't know how to feel. Y'all, look how much I've used. That's like enough for like one more time. I don't know how to feel right now. I really don't. My hair doesn't feel good. It doesn't feel good. Like, I've had better. I've seen better. It's not pricey in my opinion, but I've had better as far as results go for a cheaper gel. Yeah, like, I can pass, honestly. It's not terrible. I think what it is for me is just the fact that my hair doesn't feel that good. I've felt better. It's not a must have for me. It's a decent gel. Like, you have a hold. It feels like one of those gels that will really last you you, you know, throughout the week, maybe a good 3 to 4 days, maybe more than that. Especially if your hair loves glycerin, this might be an option for you. I don't know what else to say. So what I'm gonna do is, it's getting late. I'm gonna go ahead and put my hair up into a pineapple, which is how I sleep. I take a satin scrunchie and I will put it up. My hair changes over the days, over the hours. So I really want to come back so you guys can really see how I feel about it in the next day. Okay, y'all, so this is day 3. I wasn't able to come on yesterday, but it's either day 3 or day 4. Just know it's been a couple days since the last clip, okay? So let's get into it briefly. I just went ahead and gelled this back because in the front, especially on my looser area, which is this side, it had a lot of frizz and kind of lost like its curl pattern. And so I just went ahead and put it behind my ears. But for the most part, I think it looks pretty good. But the feel, but it says 2 times moisture to help resist dryness, frizz, and flaking. But my hair feels dry. But again, you guys know that I don't use a leave-in, so maybe I could have paired it with what I showed you guys, but that wasn't really working for me as far as feel and how it felt. It felt waxy going on, and so I just did not want to risk trying it. There's still a hold, and it did get a little bit bigger over the days, which I like. It's not a whole lot of sheen on camera to me and in person, but for the most part, I mean, it's not a horrible gel. Would I repurchase it again? Not really. It's not like a necessity for me, but I feel like it could last a week. I really do, depending on like your weather and all of that. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hopefully I answered all your questions and this was helpful, entertaining, fun, all that good stuff. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, y'all.